Ever wondered how German cars stack up against their American, European, and Japanese counterparts? Well, sit back, relax, and let us journey into the fascinating world of automobiles. Let's start with performance, a factor that's always at the forefront of any car enthusiast's mind. German cars, renowned for their precision engineering, often pack a punch in terms of power and speed. Brands like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi are synonymous with high-performance vehicles that offer a smooth, responsive driving experience. On the other hand, American cars, while also powerful, are often known for their muscle. Brands like Ford and Chevrolet produce vehicles that are robust, with a focus on raw power. European cars, particularly Italian and French, are known for their balance between performance and style. They provide a zippy and stylish ride, with brands like Ferrari and Peugeot leading the way. And let's not forget Japanese cars. They're often lauded for their reliable performance and fuel efficiency. Brands such as Toyota and Honda consistently produce cars that perform well over time, making them a favorite among many. Next, let's move on to reliability. Japanese cars tend to take the crown here, with a long-standing reputation for durability and dependability. German cars, while high-performing, can sometimes be prone to mechanical issues and may require more maintenance over time. American cars, meanwhile, are often seen as solid and hard-wearing, built to withstand the test of time. European cars, while stylish and fun to drive, can sometimes be seen as less reliable than their counterparts with higher maintenance requirements. Design is another crucial factor. German cars often exude sophistication and a certain understated elegance. Their designs are sleek and modern, often setting trends in the car industry. American cars, on the other hand, are known for their bold, robust designs. They're often larger and more ostentatious, reflecting a sense of power and freedom. European cars are famous for their flair and style. Italian cars, for instance, are synonymous with luxury and elegance, while French cars often offer quirky, unique designs. Japanese cars, meanwhile, are seen as practical and efficient, offering functional designs with a focus on usability. Lastly, cost is a significant factor for many. Japanese cars often offer the best value for money, with affordable prices and lower running costs. American and European cars can be more expensive, reflecting their power and style, while German cars, with their high-performance credentials, are often seen as a luxury purchase. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of German, American, European, and Japanese cars. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice will often come down to personal preference. Did you enjoy this video? Do you have any thoughts or experiences you'd like to share? Please comment below with your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more intriguing videos on all things automotive. Stay tuned.